Hello guys and welcome back to yet another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enter a private Telegram group chat without an invitation link. So let's get back to business. So what you need to do first, obviously you need to open your Telegram app. Then my recommendation is to create a group chat. You can basically create a group chat with only yourself because you don't need a group chat, you only need to create one. So after you did it, as you can see, I created one, and then you need to go to the add members button on the top of the screen. After it, you go to the copy invite link and then go to your search engine. So basically guys, what we need to do over here is to copy and paste that link. So you need to delete everything, and as you can see, you need to create only t.me/part. After it, you can enter whatever you want. Basically, you need to enter a name of that specific private chat that you want to enter. So let's go like this. So basically, as you can see, when you click search, basically you can enter this private chat over here. Basically really easy way how you can enter specific group chat. So when you exit it, you actually do it again. So let's go like this, delete. So basically we can enter any specific group that we want. So let's just say like this. So basically after it, as you can see, you can enter this group also. So really easy way. You just copy and paste that invite link and delete everything except this t.me/. Basically you can enter the name of any specific Telegram group chat. So really easy way how you can enter a chat without an invitation link. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and guys, make sure to follow our channel because we're gonna do loads and loads of tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.